Meet Scout. Our GDL producer, Lindsay, says she's a Lab Akita mix who weighs about 100 pounds. She's easygoing and excitable, especially when trying new things. Lindsay gave Scout the Pet Plate dry food, and she loved it. She also enjoyed the Pet Plate treats that come in a variety of options to meet the needs of a dog's health. They're developed and overseen by a team of veterinary nutritionists. Scout tried the Smooth Move Digestive, good for dogs with stomach issues. Emmy is our station dog, and we didn't have to coax her to the studio for long once she heard the word treat. She enjoyed the Crumps mini trainers. They're all natural. She tried the Pet Plate treats for a shiny coat. Emmy has beautiful long hair.
Chicken barbecue.
And when we broke out the Bone Company bone, well, she decided to take it and run. The Bone Company offers handcrafted, all-natural treats that are paw-licking good and come in a variety of shapes and sizes.
Roll over.
My granddog Boogie is a golden retriever and very smart. He sampled Crumps Naturals in the sweet potato flavor. These are made with fresh sweet potatoes and can work well for dogs with a sensitivity to meat proteins. They're rich in fiber, beta-carotene, vitamins, and minerals. They have no additives, colors, or preservatives and are non-GMO. We had a shelter dog featured on our regular Monday Good Pets segment who needed and loved being brushed with the hands-on finishing gloves. These were amazing. From coarse fur to cat hair, these are a wonderful way to groom. They can help with flyaways, conditioning, or just give a nice finished look.
Look at that.
And finally, Mackie loved the frozen variety of Pet Plate foods. When I opened the containers, it looked like human food. Leftovers. And that's because it is human-grade food with human-grade ingredients made in a human-grade kitchen as well. Visible veggies and fruits, no fillers or byproducts. Mackie went nuts, licked the bowl clean. And then after dinner, we went on a walk with the new harness leash and poop bag holder from Spark Paws. They're made of a solid rubbery material that's easy to clean. We finished the day with Finn's Paw Hero, like a massage for the feet for Mackie after the walk. With 7 plant-based ingredients, the balm is made to protect, nourish, and repair.